You will never start to heal your anxiety until you realize that you have to get comfortable with being uncomfortable. Traveling alone, going out into the real world, going to a busy city, these things are stimulating and they will trigger our anxiety. The alternative is you never challenge yourself, you never travel, you never see the world, and you never grow. So what are you waiting for? When Stephen goes to work, I take the time to explore Key West by myself. Being by myself is a very important part of traveling to me. Going into this trip, I was feeling very anxious, and I got even more anxious when I got to Key West and realized it was a very crowded party destination. Nevertheless, I have an inner sense of peace that I bring with me anywhere I travel that grounds me and fulfills me.
Mm-hmm.
This is the part of the trip to Key West that made it all worth it. Even though I was anxious to leave my routine and travel to Florida in August, I wanted to go to Dry Tortuga National Park more than anything. This is a beautiful island that houses an old fort that was never finished and built during the time of pirates and raids. After snorkeling, we enjoyed turkey sandwiches on the beach, but then something happened that I'd never expected to see. Hundreds and hundreds of hermit crabs began to come out of the woods towards our lunch. They swarmed us, filling our towel, going inside of our shoes, trying desperately to get a little tiny piece of that turkey sandwich with chips inside of it. They were so cute. In the afternoon, Stephen and I explored the old fort and learned about the history of it. It once housed the surgeon who operated on John Wilkes Booth after the Lincoln assassination. The entire fort was surrounded by this beautiful moat. And yes, before you ask, they one time tried to put a shark inside of the moat to deter invaders. The shark only lasted about 2 months, sadly. Dry Tortuga was one of the most beautiful places I've ever been in my entire life, and it was worth all of the anxiety to see this beautiful, beautiful island. We just got back from dinner at Blue Heaven, which was probably one of the most delicious dinners that either of us has ever had here in Key West. I actually left my phone here in the room, but I did get a couple pictures and videos with Steven's phone. Really delicious. We had a drink and dinner, and we got key lime pie, and it was really, really, really good. And we're gonna watch Department Q, which is like our current obsession show. It's just amazing. So if you need a new show, that's definitely a good one. I'd say it's a little bit scary, but probably you can handle it. Yeah, a little bit scary. And it's just nice because we're both like in the mood for a more quiet night, and it's nice leaving my phone. I think I've gotten so much less reliant on my phone, obviously, and just like find myself reaching for it less. And when I go out with Steven, it's like the perfect time to leave my phone because he has his, and like I'm aware that a lot of people can't just like leave their phone because we need it for like safety and directions, and I'm aware of that. So it is a huge blessing to be able to just go with him. It can be like really overstimulating traveling. I don't think I used to be like this, but realizing like I'm sensitive to sounds, I'm sensitive to people. Like being on the boat today was a lot. It was so fun, but the crowds were just like moving like really close together, and the boat was crowded. And starting my morning in a state of peace is absolutely essential to my mental and spiritual health. Therefore, even on travel, even in a very stimulating place, I make every effort to keep my morning routine more or less the same. And for me, this involves meditating, journaling, and getting outside to look at the sun. I left my comfort zone, had an amazing trip to Key West and Dry Tortuga, and I'm carrying that same sense of peace and inner love that I carry with me everywhere.